Welcome to Top 9 HTML YouTube Channels for Developers. Number 9. Learn the basics of web development with this helpful YouTube channel, offering tutorials on HTML and CSS for beginners. Number 8. Learn web development with HD tutorials on HTML, CSS, WordPress, Flash, and jQuery at html-tuts.com. Number 7. This YouTube channel, managed by Vikas and Ashman, provides tutorials and resources to help users learn HTML, CSS, PHP, and JavaScript. Number 6. This YouTube channel teaches HTML programming with updates and easy tutorials, perfect for learning from home. Number 5. Learn HTML basics and best practices with Albert Akramond at HTML Camp, a YouTube channel with 164 subscribers. Number 4. Learn HTML basics easily with Adhya's weekly videos on her YouTube channel. Number 3. This YouTube channel is a great resource for web development tips and insights from 2 experienced college friends. Number 2. This YouTube channel provides helpful tutorials and lessons on coding and designing HTML emails, with over 3.7k subscribers. Number 1. Learn HTML, CSS, and JavaScript easily with this helpful YouTube channel. That's it for our countdown of the top 9 HTML YouTube channels from Top List Central, your source for discovering top lists in AI, business, technology, self-development, and finance. Like and subscribe if you found this video useful, and stay tuned to Top List Central for more lists like this either on our website or follow us on Twitter.